Alright, this is another Cobra 29 LTD Classic we got for, I want to say his name is Rocky, I'm sorry. This is for Rocky. Now, it was given to me through someone else to work on. It was given to me from Bill, who received it from Rocky. And the issue was I guess there may be a backlight mod done on the switches here. The meter light is out and there was a receive problem. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and let me put the camera down for a sec. Wire in a mic real quick. I got the speaker plugged in. Alright, your noise blank just might be tuned up a little too much. But we're going to go ahead and give this thing a shot here. Let's turn on that teen. Wow, that's a little loud. Alright. I hear the squelch go out where it's supposed to. Alright, let me turn the noise blank off. Let's turn this back down. I'm sorry I didn't have you zoomed in so much there. Alright, let's give you 30%. Got you turned all the way down. It's not bad. I can start to hear it from right here. I don't want it turned up too much yet. My son's upstairs taking a nap. I think I heard him though. Let's try with noise blank on. Yeah. Up to 50. Your noise blank just might be turned up a little too much, so we'll take care of that for you. See what she's doing on the bird. Just got a regular dead key. 21-22 watts peak for RMS. Up 10 meter. Check. Duh. Boom, 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 boom. Do a normal swing, so there's no kits put in this one. So I'm doubting the light mod was done. I think he just thought he had a different kind of radio. But well, let's open her up and see what we got. Alright, well, she's opened up. Nothing obvious going on here. It looks like it hasn't been opened yet. This is the newer style. This is pretty much what you're going to find in any Cobra 29 that you buy brand new these days. But she looks pretty good. This guy's a little crooked there. There's your noise blank. It's tuned in pretty good, so we'll get that. I didn't even check to see how you were on Freaks, but that looks like it's way in there. But we'll get her all figured out. I'm gonna give you a call here in a minute and figure out what all you want. There's no light mod put in here. Maybe he was misunderstood and you wanted the light mod. We'll figure that out when we get to there. I don't know if this is, if you've had this out near some dust or what, or mold. Doesn't look like mold. Well, it does look like mold, but it comes off fairly easy. Doesn't smell like mold. Okay, well, let me give you a call. Okay, Rocky, she's all said and done with. We got the meter replaced. I couldn't find one that matched this yellowish green. Sorry, it would have been way too green and kind of looked a little tacky. There wasn't no lights behind here, so didn't have to worry about it. I was worried if it was, then whatever circuit they used for the meter, which normally they do, was shorted out, but it wasn't. The noise blank was a tad too high, so I actually lowered it quite a bit. It still has good noise blanking quality, so I'm not too worried about it becoming a problem later on. Did a full alignment on the receive, so she sounds much better. We were actually picking up quite a few people earlier, and then it kind of went dead, but I think that's... I can still hear them, but not near as clear as I was. We're probably on the either the turnpike, which I'm pretty sure they were the turnpike, because of how close or how loud they were getting. So, okay, with noise blank on, this is your receive quality now. Alright, so we have, we'll put 30. Actually, we're going to do 50 since we're going to have the noise blank on. So that's what I did earlier. Get on there. And then make sure you're all the way down on the scale. I'm going to turn this all the way up. And hang on, people are bleeding through. I'm going to screw it up. And oh, I went too far. Now you're getting pickup when earlier it was right there. So, and if I pull this out with the noise blank on, you won't be able to actually hear the noise generator. So it makes no difference. Now, if I turn, let me turn this back down. If I turn noise blank off and turn it on, hear that god awful noise? Turn noise blank on, nothing. So noise blank still works. And with the, let me turn back down to 30%, and we got the noise blank turned off. Turn it up. It's not bad for just alignment. So, and good. It did real good. So there she is, all done. Meter light, receive repair, and I want to talk about something that was brought up with me earlier, the other day, and it was the squelch versus RF gain. Squelch. Think of squelch like a more or less like a sound wall. Okay. Weaker sounds will not be able to penetrate the higher you turn your squelch. So it will need more oomph, more poundage to burst through that wall and break the squelch so you can actually receive. And oh yeah, I turned it. Hang on, let me turn my antenna back on. So we hear a lot of background noise, a lot of noise. And here's some people breaking in every once in a while. For the most part, it's noise. So what I would want to do is break that squelch, or raise the squelch level, so it would take someone closer to me to actually be able to break that barrier. RF gain, it's kind of like your actual sensitivity for all noise and actual poundage from someone else's modulation or radio. So think of it kind of like an overall volume knob. Some people say, oh no, you see I turn my squelch all the way down, I just turn my RF down. That's good. I mean, you still get noise, but you don't hear a whole lot. So if you turn that RF gain up, just spice up your squelch a little bit, a stronger signal. I can find someone was really blaring on 15. Now watch this. Once he shuts up, it closes up the squelch again. Once he picks that back up and wants to start talking his gibberish again, this is the Watergate channel. See? Butt naked. Oh my lord. Alright, so that's the difference between squelch and RF gain. Your delta tune is more of a sound quality. It's kind of like adjusting your treble and your bass in your stereo. So that's pretty much all there is to that. And then dynamic, of course, is your actual microphone volume, how much it's going to put out your voice. But anyway, I just wanted to cover that real quick. So I'm wondering if your squelch was just a little off at the time that was causing that that intermittent breakthrough for distant radios. But your noise blank was actually pretty high, so turn that down. Now she's up and running, good to go. Real quick and easy. It took about an hour, and my camera's about to die, so I'm gonna sign off. Another radio from Bose Dagnab CB Radios. I'll see y'all later, 73s.